Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDMI K90 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll up to find more connectivity options. Then scroll down and localize this option, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. Tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock. And here your device is informing you that it might take several seconds and you cannot undo this action, so be aware about that. And tap on OK if you're ready. And if you've got this information, it means that you just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.